Clapperboard title: The Millionaire Fastlane. How to get rich fast, not overnight. Movie camera intro. Do you really think getting rich takes 40 years of hard work? What if I told you there's a fast lane to wealth, and anyone can take it? Today we'll explore the powerful book The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco, a book that destroys all your beliefs about money, success, and time. 1. The harsh truth about the slow lane. Most people spend their lives in the slow lane. They work 9 to 5, save a little, and hope to retire rich at 60. But guess what? By the time they get there, they're too old to live their dream. MJ DeMarco says, speech balloon: the slow lane is a trap. It trades your time for money and steals your freedom. Light bulb lesson: if you keep trading hours for money, you'll never be free. 2. What is the fast lane? The fast lane is not about luck or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about creating a system that makes money even when you sleep. Business, automation, digital products, investments. These are the real fast lane vehicles. Speech balloon: wealth is not about money, it's about control. Control over your time and choices. 3. The 5 Fastlane Commandments Sense Formula. MJ DeMarco gives us the sense formula. Every Fastlane business follows these 5 rules. Light bulb example: YouTube, Amazon, or an app. Once created, they keep earning while you sleep. Fire 4. The mindset shift. The poor say, I can't afford it. The rich ask, how can I afford it? The difference? Mindset. If you think small, you'll live small. If you build value for millions, money will chase you automatically. Speech balloon: stop consuming, start creating. A skill or knowledge that solves problems. Courage to take risks. Patience to stay consistent. Direct hit conclusion. So, if you're tired of waiting 40 years to be rich, stop driving in the slow lane. Build your own fast lane. Because real wealth isn't about money, it's about freedom.